you can simply go behind a wall or something so that there's an extra protection from you from the outside. Now, the actual likelihood of a rocket hitting a residential area like this is pretty slim considering the entire region where a rocket is likely to hit. Think about Israel and Palestine, or I'm sorry, Israel. They have rockets coming at them pretty consistently, and they have alarms going off for it, and it's statistically significantly more likely for someone to be hit somewhere in Israel with rockets, just given the sheer size of Ukraine. That's all. That's not to say no one ever is hit, it's just living in an average apartment, you're not necessarily a military target. So in the first few weeks, everyone would just storm down the stairs here, but it's a little less common now, because I think some people are not necessarily scared. See people coming down here to the basement area. Yeah, behind me. Won't film people directly, but you know. Anyway, I guess that's about it as far as what I wanted to show you. Just come down here and yeah.